Hi, this is Katin. Today we are going to learn about basic Korean syllabus. I have Korean fine art, color psychology, and art therapy license, and I can teach Korean to you using many images and various materials. The way I do it is multimodality. I can tell multimodality means multiple learning style using several images and tools, technology. It really helps you learning more quickly and more successful. Now, if you watch my videos one by one, you will automatically read and speak Korean. Today, we are going to learn about basic Korean syllabus. Let's get started. Alright, if you see the description in the below, you can find 2 papers on my blog. So you print them and let's see. We are gonna be doing this one today, alright? So you can just memorize this one. So if you practice more and more, you can do it this one and that one and that one and that one. If you finish this line, you can go to the next one. Alright. So when we learn this one, we can say 기억, 니은, 티귿 like that. But today is the first Korean basic syllable learning time. So we're gonna talk about how does it look like? How does it sound like? This one. Let's combine this one and that one. If you want to read this one, you can find second paper. How do you pronunciation this alphabet? 그, right? And how about this one? 아. So it means 그, 아, 가. In Korean, we can read this one, 가. We can speak 가. So, if you combine this one and that one, 그 and 야. 가. So how can you write down? 그, 야, 가. You can practice with this paper. Okay, let's do one more. Easy one. Okay, right. This one looks like O, right? Yes, it's the same. We can read O. You can find O sound and okay, let's see. How about this one? U. Right? So you just combine 2 things. O, U. U, right? It sounds like you. I love you. You. O, U. Okay, let's write down. You. Yes, that's the Korean. So this is pronunciation paper and this is Korean basic syllabus. So today we're gonna it's my homework, alright? You can print this paper and just practice. 가, 캬, just write down. It doesn't matter, you can read or not. And next, you can see next paper. So you can try 가, 캬, 거, 겨, 가, 캬, 거, 겨, 코. Something like that. Can you do it? Alright, let's practice one more. This is, you know the kimchi, right? Kimchi is very famous food in Korean. Kimchi. Kim is a bit difficult. Let's practice with chi. Can you find the ch sound on this line? Ch. Alright, here. And where is e? E. Here we go, right? So this sounds like a ch. Okay, let's move on the first paper. This is that one and E. So how can you write down? Chi. So if you find the pronunciation first, and then you can find Korean syllables. Or you can practice Korean basic syllables and go to the next paper. So you can find N, A, and Na. Okay? You can practice like that. So it's a bit hard for the first time, but if you practice more and more, it might be very easy. Okay? Alright. Would you like to know about more Korean letter, Korean syllables? Please subscribe and like. I'm going to introduce more and more next time. Okay? Thank you. Bye.